We are aware about now the registration, the form, the procedure, the acts, the international treaty. Now just check here. After doing all this, this is the scenario. So Adidas and Adidas, I don't know how to pronounce that, but you can just check here. One is original, one is the offering that particular products, and the other one is like a, we can say they have use this logo, some modifications they are doing, and they are offering the product into the market, right? Duplicate, you can say in the layman language. Check another example. So what it is, Pizza Who, I don't know how to pronounce that, but they have just write down. If you see from a distance, probably you will feel it is like a Pizza Hut only, but you check the spelling the carefully, you can just check here. So that minor modifications they are doing, and they are like copying the trademark as it is, right? Then check another example, McDonald's. One half circle is like added, and you can just check here that the trademark is like a, this is not the original offering of a McDonald, right? Then you can just check another example.